photosynthesis of class 10th. So photosynthesis is one of the important topic in class 10th of nutrition. Coming to the introduction, we know photosynthesis as the important life process. Let us look into the mechanism of photosynthesis and how photosynthesis occurs. The actual mechanism is by simple inorganic molecules like carbon dioxide and water are converted into carbohydrates with the release of oxygen by chloroplast in the presence of sunlight. So this is very simple mechanism here. The simple inorganic molecules like carbon dioxide and water are converted into carbohydrates with the release of oxygen by whom? By the chloroplast in the presence of sunlight. So in this mechanism we can see that simple organic molecules carbon dioxide and water and complex compound carbohydrate, byproducts oxygen, where all these are happening in the chloroplast with the presence of sunlight. Synthesis of any new compound from simple substances require energy. So in order to synthesize any new compound from simple substances, what we require? We require energy. This energy is required to form chemical bonds between the atoms of simple substances. So why we require this energy? We require this energy to form chemical bonds. So if bonds are formed, they will become so strong. So between the atoms of simple substances. If we carefully observe a chemical reaction, the reactants pass through an intermediate stage from a final product is formed. Before a final product is formed, If you carefully observe a chemical reaction, the reactants pass through an intermediate stage before a final product is formed. So by this statement we can see that in a reaction, the reactants will undergo some intermediate stage, and these intermediates finally results in the final product. Some substances are formed before a final product is formed. As I earlier mentioned, that reactants pass through intermediate stage. Those intermediate stage produces some substances. So if you see the reaction, reactant 1 plus reactant 2 gives reaction plus product. In photosynthesis, glucose is synthesized from carbon dioxide and water. So what is produced in photosynthesis? In photosynthesis, glucose is produced or synthesized from CO2 and water. This reaction also requires energy. So as I earlier mentioned, every reaction, even it is a simple reaction, it requires energy. The energy required for this reaction comes from sunlight. So who is the provider for energy here? Sunlight is the provider of energy here. Coming to photosynthesis definition. Photosynthesis is a complex chemical process at the end of which carbohydrates are formed in green plants using sunlight as a source of energy. So if you see the first definition of photosynthesis, photosynthesis is a chemical process, complex chemical process at the end of which carbohydrates are formed in green plants using sunlight as a source of energy. It is a photochemical reaction. It means photo means light and chemical reactions, we all know that undergoes in chemical process. photosynthesis may be defined as photochemical reaction during which carbohydrates are formed from carbon dioxide and water in the chloroplast of the green plants in the presence of sunlight. So this is one of the major definition we have. Photosynthesis may be defined as a photochemical reaction during which carbohydrates are formed from carbon dioxide and water in the chloroplast of the green plants in the presence of sunlight. So what happens here? The chemical reaction occurs between photochemical reaction occurs between carbon dioxide, water and chloroplast in the presence of sunlight results in carbohydrate. If we see the reaction of photosynthesis, the overall equation of photosynthesis can be written as follows: 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll. In this reaction, we observe carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll are essentially requirements for photosynthesis. So if you see, what are the essential requirements of photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll are essential requirements of photosynthesis. Glucose, oxygen and water are the products of reaction. So what are the products of reaction here? Glucose, oxygen and water. So if you see here, glucose is the major end product, oxygen and water are the byproduct. In the above reaction or process, we can realize that low energy substances like carbon dioxide and water are converted to high energy compounds. I will again repeat. In the above reaction or process, we can realize that low energy substances like carbon dioxide and water are converted to high energy compounds. So what we can realize here, that low energy substances, what are the low energy substances here? Carbon dioxide and water are converted into high energy compounds. What is high energy compound in the above equation? Glucose is the high energy compound.